MSMEs in India contribute almost to about 35% to 40% of our GDP, if we include both manufacturing and services. They also provide a lot of employment for people. We keep saying that human resource development or human resources are very important. We keep talking about human possibilities, and we all make statements that human being is very important and there is no business without a human being. However, when you go into details, we discover that there is only a lip service paid to the importance of human resources in making business happen. We have not done enough research on how people make things happen. What kind of people will generate more self-employment? What kind of people will be successful as entrepreneurs? What are some of the difficulties faced by small and medium enterprises? Do they need a human resource development department at all? Can an owner or the managing director or the chief executive of a company do anything without a real good understanding of human resources? If the owner of a company or the chief executive of a company acquires a lot of understanding about human beings, what kind of wonderful things can he or she do to make the business grow and expand? Similarly, if you are a banker or if you are a financer, if you are a facilitator, if you are an investor, have you figured out how to spot the right kind of an entrepreneur? Have you figured out how to build entrepreneurial talent in schools, colleges, universities, engineering colleges, IITs, IIMs, and so on? Do you know what makes an entrepreneurial personality? How do we promote an entrepreneurship culture in a particular region, in a university, in a college, or in a particular profession? If you are a supplier or a customer, how to get those who are your customers to give you the right kind of a business, to treat you in the right kind of a way? I think all these kind of issues require a focused attention on understanding human resources and also appreciating human beings as possibilities. Entrepreneurship may begin at your home. You may unknowingly be discouraging a very potential business person in your community by not providing the right kind of a platform for that person to experiment, to make things happen, to do small things and accomplish big things. I think human behavior has played a very important role. Very unfortunately, across the globe, economists and economy takes precedence over human beings. And we rarely realize economists are also human beings. Politicians are human beings. Small business developers are human beings. Employees, of course, are human beings. I think it is to focus the attention of all categories of people: teachers, self-made entrepreneurs, students wanting to become entrepreneurs, financiers, and developers, all forms of developers of small industries or entrepreneurship in our country. This particular conference to be held on January 24th and 25th, jointly organized by the Academy of Human Resource Development in Ahmedabad and the EDI Ahmedabad, is happening. And I would strongly recommend any of you interested in this to attend the conference and contribute your ideas, learn from the conference, and make this a great beginning for understanding people in the context of MSMEs. All the best, and we look forward to seeing you at the Academy of HRD and EDI joint international conference scheduled for 24th and 25th January at Ahmedabad.